Heater's going one more time. Garage is empty. Time to set up the workshop. First order of business, going to cut off this stuff. Cut along the line and we're good to go.
Wear gloves.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, pretty good. Just gotta clean up some more. I'll take it with a sander and maybe a file. And that'll be quick work of that. So now that this is all soft and everything feels great, it's time to start deburring these razor sharp. See the little shiny line? That thing will slice my finger in half, so we're gonna take care of that. And then I need to think things through, but we should be pretty close to painting, if that's the case. Actually, I think we will be ready for painting, and I got more paint. So in this bucket, more Rust-Oleum self-etching primer. holes are deburred, the lightning holes. So let's put this back up. All right. Quick one today. It's like 35 degrees Fahrenheit out. So I'm not going to paint today. Temperature, I mean, obviously you can paint whenever you want, but recommended to be above 50 degrees Fahrenheit outside, well, ambient temperature. I'm not painting in the garage because that would make a mess. So we're going to have to wait for another day to paint. I might be able to get some in here and there, but not today because it's way too cold. Got some cleaning up to do, all that aluminum from holes. Did it all in one spot, so that's all the material that came off. No more razor blades on the metal pieces right there. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you on the next one when we start painting. Thanks, see ya.